For decades, small-scale farmers and entrepreneurs in Balochistan have worked with determination despite facing numerous challenges. Water scarcity, limited infrastructure, and lack of market access and finance have kept the region's potential untapped.
हम अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को रवायती अंदाज में इनकी पैकेजिंग कर रहे थे। वो पैकेजिंग स्टोर के काबिल नहीं थी, उस किस्म की नहीं थी किसी दूसरी मार्केट तक हम उसको ट्रैवल करा सकते हो।
पहले हमारे पास मशीन्स वगैरह नहीं थी। हमारे पास अगर कोई ज़्यादा ऑर्डर आ जाता था ना बल्क में, हम नहीं बना सकते और हमें ऑनलाइन भी नहीं पता था कैसे सेल करें।
Balochistan province, as you know, it's 44% of country's geographical area. 15% is cultivable land, but only 7% is cultivated so far. The reason is basically lack of financial services, lack of access to capacity building and technological transfer, because we are still using primitive method of agriculture.
To overcome these barriers, the Growth for Rural Advancement and Sustainable Progress GRASP project was launched. Funded by the European Union and implemented by ITC in partnership with PPAF, FAO and SMEDA, GRASP is designed to empower small and medium enterprises across 7 key agri-business value chains in Balochistan. Through matching grants, financial linkages and institutional partnerships, the project helps SMEs to upgrade equipment, reach new markets, adopt climate-friendly practices and certifications. Training in financial literacy, smart marketing, value addition and good agricultural practices gave SMEs tools and confidence to scale sustainably. One such entrepreneur is Khair Mohammed. GRASP strengthened Khair Mohammed's business by providing matching grant that made installation of a packaging unit with a 4-color printer, die-cutting systems and an eco-friendly boiler using recycled paper and rice husk. The change was transformative. He eliminated reliance on distant suppliers and created a local solution, now serving over 30 farmers across Quetta and neighboring districts.
इस प्रोजेक्ट के आने से तकरीबन हमारी आमदनी डबल हो गई। हमने न सिर्फ अपने को बल्कि दूसरे किसानों को भी हमने फैसिलिटेट किया। जो हमें ट्रेनिंग्स मिली हैं और जो हमें विजिट्स हम एक्सपोजर विजिट्स हुई हैं, तो उसमें हमारा बिजनेस ग्रो करने के चांसेस हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए। मुस्तकबिल में हमारा प्लान है कि हम इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स को भी अप्रोच करेंगे।
Under GRASP, Uresha Khan was linked with Bank Al-Falah, where she secured a 1.5 million rupees loan to upgrade production, packaging and diversify her product range of natural wellness products. She also received training on financial literacy, business planning, training and digital marketing, equipping her to build an even stronger strategy to scale. Today, she sources from local farmers, employs women, and sells her chemical-free products in urban markets and positions her brand online as one of its kind women-led rural enterprise in Balochistan.
हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स की सेल है वो ज़्यादा हो गई। 1 से 150 लाख के दरमियान हमारी सेल हो जाती है। पाकिस्तान के जितने इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोज होते हैं उन्होंने वहाँ पे हमारे स्टॉल लगवाए, तो उसके थ्रू हमारे काफ़ी अच्छे कस्टमर्स हो गए।
GRASP is driving visible change. Where gaps existed, there is now value. Where informal businesses operated alone, structured enterprises are emerging. Ambition, once stalled, is thriving. As for what's next for Khair Mohammed and Uresha, Khair Mohammed is focusing on expansion through regional distribution and Uresha is focused on developing new products and expanding in digital markets.
More than 47% income has been increased by these farmer MSMEs, primary producers, and more than 7,000 jobs have been created in Balochistan through these MSMEs. It really hits our main objective of creating livelihood opportunities for the poorest segment of the society.
Our main focus under all the activities for GRASP has been on sustainability. I'd say specifically in the province of Balochistan, where we have established a strategic management unit and all the SME strategies which were developed, designed and launched under our project, they are now going to be implemented through that institutional framework.
मैं थैंक यू करना चाहूँगी ग्रैप्स प्रोजेक्ट का, ग्रैप्स का, EU का, ITC का, PPF का, जिन्होंने हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प की है। इंशाल्लाह ताला हम लोग अपने काम में मज़ीद तरक्की लाएंगे।
मैं मशकूर हूँ ख़ुसूसन यूरोपियन यूनियन का, ITC का, PPF का, उन्होंने जिस तरह बलूचिस्तान के फार्मर को इसकी ज़िंदगी को अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए कोशिश की है।